Hey guys, this is number 5 and this is Star 4 and I really like this website because it already has pre-K and kindergarten, grades first, second, and third. And I like that it has a lot of different activities. If you check here, colors, it has numbers, it has a talking library, so you can use this app at your library if you do have a library. I do have a library, but so you already know I'm a pre-K for teacher. And it has fiction and non-fiction, and I love the library. Also has fun reading. I'm gonna start using it tomorrow in my classroom because I really like this website. I think this website will be great for early childhood teachers. As I already said, I try to when I was researching all my technologies, my 5 technologies, I keep on talking about, keep on thinking about my colleagues, my peers, how, because we're very limited in my school district. We don't get access to many different websites, but this is a great website. I run it through my principal, and he really like this website. We're gonna try for a little bit and then we're gonna see if he wants to keep it or not. But for what I see, this can be a great addition to your classroom. And I like that you can, there's a part is that if you want more features and you want more advanced, you can pay, but you can also use it for free. And it give you a lot of different activities for free, so you don't have to go ahead, sign in and pay. You can just have it in your computer in the classroom, and then have your students go to the computer and take 10 minutes, 5 minutes in the computer. And if you feel like your students need letters or numbers, go ahead and put them on the computer and let them enjoy start 4 while they learning.